Puzzle app, and I've solved a few of the puzzles so far, but today I'm going to do another one of these jigsaws and share with you how I do the jigsaw. There is some really great pictures, but I think I might do that one's tempting, but I might do this one up here, which is there we go, the house by the lake. Oh, that scenery of the lakes. Okay, so it's progress 1%. That's interesting, and I haven't started yet. I'm going to do the 64 piece. So continue. Now with this puzzle, all the pieces come the right way up, and it's just there a matter of tapping on them and dropping them onto the board somewhere, like that. But if you push a piece up and decide not to use it, then you just drag it back down onto this board along here. So I'm going to go around and do all the edge pieces first. And so because they're in the right order, then you can't spin them or anything, they just have to, well, no, right order, no, I meant to say the right way around. There's no spinning the pieces around to fit them, they fit the right way up. And if two pieces actually are meant to be together, then they flash slightly as you put them together. You might have seen those two flash then, and then I'll just put them up there somewhere. I can still move them around, and you can see that once they're locked together, I click on one, and both pieces move together. There's one for the left wall. This is a good one because it's a corner, and it automatically goes in the corner, and you may have seen that flash then, and I don't think, no, that doesn't fit there. There we go, that's another corner piece. Maybe pop that in the corner. There's a side wall, does that fit there? Yes, it does. Okay. That might fit there. No, it doesn't. It didn't flash. Is that one? No. doesn't. Does that go there maybe? Oh yes it does. Okay. Oh, I see that one's actually locked into position. By chance I've put it in the right spot. And there we go. When it gets close to the right position, it sort of sucks it in. Okay. Goes there like that. I've enjoyed doing jigsaws for years. I set myself up in front of the TV, maybe watching a movie or some sport maybe, and yeah, with a card table in front of me with you know, a 500 piece jigsaw, and I slowly but surely solve the jigsaw. So what I'm doing now is just working through, finding all the finding all the corner pieces. It's quite good fun, these jigsaws. They are actually relaxing and calming. I find these great before I go to sleep at night, is to do a jigsaw, one of these jigsaws. Helps you forget about a lot of stuff. Now you can leave pieces out here on the board if you like, or you can put them back down. And have a look at the picture. So I need to build up that section. See what I can find. There's a few there. Yes, so I've noticed that what have I noticed, I wonder? Oh yeah, I've noticed that if I do, if I do a 500 piece jigsaw, or if I do a 1,000 piece jigsaw, that the 1,000 piece will maybe take me, 3 or 4 times as long as a 500 piece, even though it's just double the number of pieces. It just takes that much longer, because you've got to sort through and look for all those pieces. Say you're looking for a particular piece, then rather than with 1,000 pieces, you've got to look through 1,000 pieces potentially to find it where the 500, you've got less pieces to look through, so it's it's potentially always the way when you do the jigsaws that you know, they start off very slowly, and then suddenly you know, you're towards the end, you rip through and really start to put some pieces together, which is kind of what I'm doing now, because there's not that many to look through. Now, before I finish up, what I was going to oh, there we go, that one goes there. What I was going to tell you about jigsaws was that the first jigsaw, the earliest jigsaw, was in 1760, and a man by the name of John Salisbury got a flat piece of mahogany board, a thin board, drew a map of England on it, and drew in the counties, and and then cut around the counties and created a map of England jigsaw puzzle. It was aimed at children. It was aimed for children, but because it was handmade, it was quite expensive and really just for the wealthy children to play with. And then once he made that jigsaw, then people started to copy or use his idea to create their own jigsaw puzzles, but it wasn't, they kept going with that board. It was hand cut out, but it wasn't until the 1920s they started doing it with cardboard, and then around about the 1950s the quality increased, and it was all mass-produced jigsaw puzzles that were affordable by well, wait, did I say that? Around the other way, they became puzzles that anyone could afford. 2 pieces to go. One thing that's good about these jigsaw puzzles is that you never lose a piece. I did have one that actually I didn't realise the piece was sort of sitting there like that on an already solved piece, and at the end I couldn't work out where the piece had gone, but anyway, I seem spotted it there. Okay, so just to finish off the history of jigsaws then since the last time if I wasn't talking. But anyway, and then I can choose another puzzle and keep going. So that's it. That's the video. So I'll sign off now and say goodbye and say